What up, everybody? I ain't no Dre Balding.
You're still practicing. You're still working on your game.
Dre Balding is me.
What up, everybody? This is a question that I get often from players. They ask me, they say something like, I want to gain weight. I want to get stronger for basketball. I'm tired of getting pushed around. I want to be able to drive to the hole. Or my coach told me I need to get bigger. Or my friend said I need to get bigger, or whatever.
Ain't nobody on YouTube gonna deliver a tutorial on how to shoot 3-pointers better than me. Follow this tutorial exactly and you'll be shooting like Steph Curry in a heartbeat.
Alright, first things first, you need to make sure your feet are set. Extremely important when shooting your three-pointer, keep your feet on the target, alright? Next, your knees are extremely important because you need the force to be able to jump and have a nice shot, right? Alright, next things next, you really need to have a 90 degree on your elbow. This is extremely important when shooting your shot so you can have a nice arc. Keep your eyes on the basket, that's the fourth step. Make sure those eyes are locked on, that's your target. Finally, most importantly, like you guys all know, the arc. Higher the arc you get, the bigger the rim is. Let's get down to business. Bang!
Alright guys, let's use this last shot for instance. I use Logger Pro to find the axis of symmetry of my shot. The green line on my body represents how tall I am, and I use Logger Pro to trace the arc of my shot, which is shown by the blue dots. As you can see, this instantly created a parabola. I moved the parabola on a graph just so it can be seen easier. The y-axis is height and my x-axis is time. Then, I used Logger Pro to find the equation of my quadratic function. Logger Pro instantly found my A, B, and C points that will later help me when finding my axis of symmetry. Here I have two equations, the standard form equation and the equation to find the axis of symmetry. After using this information that Logger Pro gave me, I plugged my information into the standard form equation and got y equals negative 4.147x squared plus 610.1x minus 22430.0. And using this, I found my A, B, and C points. The vertical line x equals 73.56 is our axis of symmetry. It is a line that cuts our equation of the parabola in half. Just to double check all of this information, I plugged it into my calculator and got the same answer. Thanks for listening to this tutorial, and I hope you learned that arc is the most important factor when shooting a 3-point shot.